So today I want to put a little light on the subject. I purchased a box of these lights, these fluorescent lights on Amazon. They were dirt cheap. They were a 10 pack of them for $80, so $8 a piece. I was looking for some shop lights, and locally they were about the cheapest ones were about $20, and they were about as flimsy as these are, with usually only one tube. These are dual tubes. So the price was definitely right, and I just wanted to add some extra light while I'm working down here. So these are probably going to be, at least this one's going to be temporary. I threw one up in the bathroom here, also temporary. They're just two-prong receptacles, which just happens to plug into the fan, so I can actually control the light from the switch in the bathroom. Stupid, but handy. So yeah, that one's temporary in the bathroom. This one, maybe not temporary, but I definitely wanted to put one in the sump pump and mechanical area rather than this pull chain thing that is held up literally by wires. So yeah, we're gonna put one in here, and I guess I'll let you watch. The first thing is someone tacked up this weird wood thing, which I'm guessing at one point in time was a brace for the sump pump. And we're gonna get rid of that. So, and then we're gonna hang up a light. So I will let you watch. Tools, gloves, see how there we go. Everything's a challenge. Alright, so I know how far apart my light brackets need to be. It's just a matter of positioning it where I want it. And we'll go about there. One there. And one there. Grab the clips for this. just snaps into place. I'll route this over that. And plug it in over here. Come up here. Wow, that's a lot nicer. You can actually see in there. Here's the sump pump. And also now, I plugged it in with that other outlet out here. Just flip the switch and it'll shut both off, turn both on. Nice and easy. So, thanks for watching, everyone.